short little review on the new Cerave Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. Can work for all skin types. The consistency, it's sticky and glue-like. Typically, foam cleansers are stripping to the skin. This product is fragrance-free, which is great to avoid irritation, help remove makeup, and it has 3 essential ceramides for your skin, amino acids, which help hold water in the skin. Same with hyaluronic acid. You want water to hold into your skin to keep it glowing and to help with anti-aging. Activate the foam by putting water on my face. Product should not have your face feeling tight, itchy, or squeaky. That is a sign of it stripping your skin. My face feels great. I love this product, and if you are on the fence, this is your sign to get it. I should also preface that this is just a regular face wash that will protect your skincare barrier and keep your skin hydrated and healthy. This is not something that's going to treat hyperpigmentation or treat acne. Figure out your skincare goals when you're going into buying new products for your face. Mwah. Bye.